Cryptocurrency seems to be the hottest means of making big money. What's more, it's easy, it's quick, and it's also safe. With over 10,000 different cryptocurrencies across the world, join us as we take you through 10 ways to make money with cryptos. Welcome back to our channel, Market Drill TV. If you like our video, then do give it a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. 10. DeFi yield farming. Liquidity mining, also known as yield farming, locks cash and grants liquidity to either a DeFi coin. This is similar to crypto mining, but decentralized financial projects require people to labor for them. The prize is generally in the context of either a digital token. 9. Rewards. Several organizations give free cryptos in exchange for signing up to their platform, taking up an education course, or playing games. This is one of the simplest methods to earn extra coins. Sites like Coinbase Earn pay in exchange for learning about blockchain, while others play games such as Axie Infinity for its play-to-earn feature. For example, Coinbase Earn, CoinMarketCap Earn, and Brave, a secret web browser, pays users in basic attention tokens, a cryptocurrency. Although the earnings are often small, the rewards path is likely to be the quickest. 8. NFTs. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, can be digital art, film, music, or an interactive digital piece of work. You could either be a NFT collector or maker. By putting digital work on the blockchain, creators can reach a worldwide audience among potential buyers and earn royalties as their work is traded. Collectors have the opportunity to purchase low-cost digital art as well as other NFTs and perhaps profit from the work's appreciation over time. NFTs can be bought on OpenSea, Axie Marketplace, and Rabel. Individuals buying NFTs or any crypto, any DeFi opportunity on the internet are vulnerable to counterfeits, frauds, and disinformation, so always tread cautiously and conduct your homework. 7. Lending. Investors with a substantial portfolio of cryptocurrencies will lend those tokens as loan in exchange for equity, similar to staking. Unlike traditional bank loans, crypto lending is often peer-to-peer and facilitated by a blockchain lending platform. 6. Staking. Staking cryptocurrency generates passive income from crypto assets that investors want to keep for a long time. It's similar to an investment savings account. In this case, you're talking about a passive income of anything from 5 to 15% per year. Today, many mainstream crypto exchanges offer user-friendly staking options. This option is limited to cryptocurrencies that employ a proof of stake instead of just an evidence of work approach. Staking is not feasible with Bitcoin, but it is possible in Solana and Ethereum 2.0. 5. Cryptocurrency dividends. When you purchase a crypto coin and hold it for a long time, the designers will pay you a crypto dividend by holding these digital assets for you. All you have to do is buy and hold. How this works is that the cost of a crypto coin rises as the number of customers increases. As a result, the developers strive to entice newcomers by demonstrating that they have many investors. This persuades more individuals to purchase and hold coins. CoinRabbit is an example of such a platform. 4. Mining. If you consider mining, you are joining the ranks of the cryptocurrency's original creators and developers. The activity of mining is what gives a cryptocurrency its genuine value. To mine crypto cash, you must of course be adept in technicalities. In addition, you'll need to make an initial and recurring investment in specialist gear. Mining is a complex technical operation, but once you are a pro, it can be a lucrative business. 3. Social media. Several blockchain companies use social media to market their cryptocurrencies and related services. If you enjoy creating social media content, you can collaborate with blockchain companies to enhance their assets and services. Once you begin writing engaging and original material on the currency and you begin to attract followers, you will receive a promotion bonus. Blockchain enterprises frequently reward people by giving away a portion of their cryptocurrency or the platform's native coin. 2. Trading. Trading is for people who want to make large profits quickly by investing is a long-term strategy based on the principle of buying and holding. The cryptocurrency exchange market is well known for being volatile. This essentially indicates that the cost of a digital currency can swiftly rise and drop in a short time, sometimes in a single day. If you want to be a successful trader, you must learn to interpret charts and analyze coin performance based on historical events, current news, and updates. 1. Investing. Investing in cryptocurrency is a long-term strategy that involves purchasing cryptocurrencies at a low price and holding it for a few years until it reaches your target market price. At this point, you can sell it and earn handsomely. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, be sure the coin you invest in has a bright future and is reliable as an asset. Which of these methods suits you the best? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video useful, do give us a like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Disclaimer: do remember this video should be construed as investment advice. The crypto market is volatile, so before investing, please do research and consult with a certified finance expert for the best advice.